Homecoming is the most awaited happiness for those who stays far from home. But if it is Durga Pujo, then it's hard to stay far from home if you are a Bengali. I stay in Bangalore and in the last moment I decided to go to my home city Kolkata for Durga Pujo. I checked in the internet, the tickets of flights were too expensive. Trains were also full. Now what to do? Durga Pujo is an emotion and riding is my passion. One fine morning I decided to start the engine once again and set the wheels in motion.
दादी बुला सके तो
रेनकोट एक ले लिया हूँ, एक खाली बॉटल लिया हूँ पेट्रोल के लिए।
कहाँ चले तू जा
चलो
हनुमान
बाय।
मजे चाहिए मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ले ले
It was around 1900 kilometers. I collected some basic riding accessories and some food from my friends for such a long journey. It was 27th of September and I started from Bangalore at 5 am sharp. I planned my ride in such a way that in 3 days and 2 nights I will reach Kolkata. Initially I was enjoying the ride, but slowly it was becoming exhausting since the weather was becoming hot and humid. In few places, road conditions were very poor. But after some time, I got Chennai-Kolkata highway. Via Kadapa, Ongal and Guntur, I reached Vijayawada at 6 pm. First night, I stayed at Vijayawada. Next day from Vijayawada, I started early at 3 am. In day 2, the ride became more pleasant. I was crossing the charming greeneries of Eastern Ghat mountains of Visakhapatnam coast. I reached Behrampur at 3 pm and I decided to travel more 180 kilometers to Bhubaneswar for the night. It became dark and I was crossing a long and never-ending forest road along Chilka Lake. Oh God, I couldn't make it up till Bhubaneswar and stayed somewhere near Chilka Lake. Next day early morning I started, and that was the final day of my ride. I could smell the fragrance of Pujo when I entered Bengal. I could hear the sound of Dhak in my mind as the city of joy is calling me for its biggest festival. Soon I reached Kolkata and started my Durga Puja. Durga Pujo. It's an emotion for us. It's a pride for us. It's a festival of love and fun. It's a festival of culture and tradition. It's a festival of celebrating victory of good over evil. It's a festival of homecoming and reunion. It's a festival of innovation and creativity. It's a festival of lights and music. Durga Puja means pandal hopping all day, all night long, witnessing the level of creativity in pandals, artistic essence and gigantic idols of Devi Durga. The city, which is said to be slow, becomes sleepless for this 6 to 7 days. Not a single streets or lanes of Kolkata remains dark, not a single area remains silent and dull. Every corner, every street, every element of Kolkata match the vibes of Pujo with music and lights. Pujo means shopping, new fashion, setting up new trends. Pujo means adda, night out parties and vibing with friends. Pujo means move on from the past failures. Pujo means beginning new stories of life. Before the first day of Durga Puja, we plan our pandal hopping strategies. Like Panchami is for Southern Avenue and Garyahat area. Shoshti is best for visiting Lake Town, Dum and Salt Lake area. Shoptami is fixed for Behala and Kalighat area. Ashtami is the ethnic day and it's the day for witnessing the Pujo beauty of vintage North Kolkata. Navami is allotted for adda, music, dance and cultural functions at Maddox Square. The excitement, the hype, the sleepless nights, the unlimited fun comes to an end at Dashami. It's an emotional day when we have to say goodbye to Ma Durga. It's a day when women wear red bordered sari, play with sindoor. It's a day when we touch the feet of elders and take blessings, greet them, Shubha Vijaya. We the people of Kolkata do not stop here. After 2 days of Dashami, we arrange Durga Carnival in the heart of the city where we provide farewell to the idols and thank to all the artists for making the festival so wonderful. Kolkata is a city of emotion. People are emotionally attached with the city and its rhythmic changes. These 10 days of Durga Puja bring lot of happiness in the families. People staying out of the city for walk gets an excuse for homecoming during this puja. It's a festival that reunites families, friends and loved ones. I'm going to Bangalore again and I will try my level best to visit the city again in the next year. Because, dear Kolkata and your Durga Pujo, আমি তোমাকে খুব ভালোবাসি।